If your Wi-Fi doesn't reach far enough to cover your whole house, you can actually use your computer to extend its range without needing any extra hardware. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn your Windows PC into a Wi-Fi repeater using Connectify Hotspot so that your other devices can stay connected from further away. Let's assume you already have a Connectify Hotspot license. If not, visit connectify.me/store. First, make sure you have the latest version of Connectify Hotspot installed on your Windows computer. You can download it from connectify.me/download. It's important to note that in order to set up a hotspot as a Wi-Fi repeater, you must already be connected to the Wi-Fi you want to extend, and Windows must have the password saved. Connectify Hotspot can only repeat wireless networks using WPA2 security. Luckily, that's most hotspots. Once you have the app installed, run the Connectify Hotspot app, and you'll see 3 tabs: Wi-Fi Hotspot, Wired Router, and Wi-Fi Repeater. In this case, we want to create a Wi-Fi repeater, so choose that option at the top of the app. You'll see a Wi-Fi network to repeat drop-down. Pull that down and it'll show you all the Wi-Fi hotspots you've been on lately. Pick the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to and want to extend. After that, just click the Start a Hotspot button to begin sharing your internet connection with your other devices. Then, you can take your other device on the other side of your house or office and just connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on that device. You'll see the connected device listed in Connectify Hotspot under the Clients tab. But if you want to check if it's really working, you can always run a speed test on the connected device and see the traffic move in the Connectify app. That's it. Hope that helps. If you want to see more useful tech tips like this, subscribe to our channel for more videos.